Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. Now see this. For a large part of our internet users, Google has become an integral part of our life. We use Google as a search engine every day to help us understand or to gain knowledge. I just thought we will take a break from that and look at some of the hidden Google tricks like fun searches and games that Google has hidden behind its vast layers of the database. So I just thought to share with you all. These are some of the fun things that you should definitely try on Google. It is something that you could show to your friends, impress them, show them your geeky side. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Type in your search bar as do a barrel roll. Once you type in do a barrel roll, just observe your screen. It takes a one full round rotation. Now the next one. Type in your search bar as ask you. Once you type in as ask you, just see your search bar along with the entire screen of Google has tilted to the right side. Now the next one. Type in as Zerg Rush. Once you type in as Zerg Rush, click the first link that you see on your home page. Just observe the yellow circles start popping from the top and it goes to the bottom, erasing all the content on your home page of your Google. Isn't that something interesting? I hope you are enjoying the Google tricks. Now one of the most fascinating thing, type in as Google Gravity. Once you type in on your Google search bar as Google Gravity, select this option. Now just observe, I will just click on the search box here. My entire screen got collapsed. So you can just drag them and you can just drop them. Isn't this very funny thing that the Google is providing behind as a trick? Isn't this something funny? That do you want to see Google homepage underwater? How does it look? Type in as Google underwater. So once you click on search bar as Google underwater, select the first option that comes in the search results. So now see the funny thing. You will be able to see the fishes. Now just let me click on the search bar. So my search bar is floating now. See, it is floating and tilting. I will just search for more fishes. So more fishes are coming in and the water level is rising up. I hope you enjoyed this trick. Now the next one. Type in as Google fan. So once you type in as Google fan, select the first option that you see on your search results. So you can see the air breeze. Now let me change the speed of the fan. So I hope you are getting the breeze. Now I will show you one more interesting thing. I will just type in here as Joe Friends. So once I type in as Joe Friends, you will see an icon that is being displayed at the text or the name on the right side here. I will just click on that.
Joey does a share for.
You could just grab that.
Joey does a share for.
Now one more. I will just type in as Ross Friends. A similar image that you see here, like a sofa, just click on the icon. Let me click on the sofa again. Let me try clicking on the sofa again. Oh my god, my sofa broke down. Sorry for that. I hope you enjoyed all these Google tricks. Let me know in the comment section how did you feel about this video. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.